Wouldn't it be nice to push one button, have your stream start, your countdown screen open, tweet out that you're live, play your intro, and then land on whatever screen that you want after that? Well, this can be done, and it's easy. And the best part, it's free. Elgato changed the game when they came out with the Stream Deck. Makes operating your stream that much more easier. And almost anything you do inside OBS for your stream, you can program your Stream Deck to do the same thing. Now, the biggest turnoff for most people is the price. Today we're going to look at an alternative you may have already heard of, Touch Portal. This is an app and a software that you put on your computer and phone, and it can do almost everything that a Stream Deck can do and makes life easier. Setup is fairly easy, and the learning curve isn't too bad for getting it to do exactly what you want if you take your time. I'll be honest with you guys. I downloaded all this months and months ago, and I gave up. I hit a wall, I couldn't figure it out, and I just gave up. With a little encouragement from a friend of mine, I jumped back on it, and I'm impressed. This is a game changer, totally. I can basically start, run, and end my streams all without ever touching a keyboard or mouse. Everything through Touch Portal. With the free version, you get a limited number of buttons, but for about $10, you can unlock an unlimited amount of buttons. You can customize your buttons to a certain extent, and the app on your phone runs Wi-Fi. So as long as you're within connection range with your Wi-Fi, you can run your stream from almost anywhere. This is available on Android and iOS, and you'll also need to install the software on your computer. You can visit touch-portal.com to download the software. There it is. Now, you'll need to have your Wi-Fi, like I said. That's how everything works. And you'll also need to connect your Touch Portal to your OBS. Sometimes this can be a little tricky. There's a file you download, you dump it into your OBS system folder, and it should connect. There's some help on this. It's not that hard, really. You should be able to get it going fairly easily. Once you have everything installed and connected, then this is Touch Portal. This is what you'll see on your computer screen. And you can create all of your buttons here. Now, you don't get this many. I have the paid version now. But let's take a look at my Start Stream. Click on Start Stream. And you can see how I have it set up. This is my start scene. First thing it does is send a tweet out to Twitter saying that I'm live. Then it opens up my countdown screen. Now it waits a few 3 seconds before it starts streaming. This makes sure that my scene is up and running and the countdown is running. Then it has a timer that waits for the countdown to be finished. Then it starts my intro. Then there's a timer that makes sure that the intro is done playing before it starts another video that talks about my weekly schedule. Another timer to wait for that. Another little video plays, a little timer for that, and then it does the Beetlejuice showtime. Another timer that makes it wait. Then I have a kind of complicated little setup here going into my just chatting scene. This is where I always land. I have 4 different scenes here that are all pretty much the same. They just layer in differently to give an effect, a fade-in effect that I like to use. So if you look at this, you can see I have my start stream button with just everything. My outro is kind of the same way. It does a little outro video, and then it goes to the stream ended screen, and then it also, at the very end of everything, it will tell my OBS to stop streaming, so I don't even have to click stop streaming. Also, Touch Portal is completely integratable with OBS, XSplit, Twitter, and Twitch. I had to read that off the screen there, but you can integrate this straight into Touch Portal, and they can interact with each other. All right, so we're gonna take a look at some of what my buttons do here. So we're on the main camera 1 right now. This is the full screen camera mode. When we go to the just chatting screen that I have, this is what it looks like. See how my camera fades in separately. 5 seconds later, the game screen will fade in right there. This is how you can create some special effects using Touch Portal, is by setting it to do different things at different times. It's pretty neat. So here we go with another transition here. This is going to the game screen. Now that was actually a fake stinger. That's something I kind of played with and I think it's kind of cool. So I hope this is kind of informative for you. I hope it makes you want to check it out. You know, it's free. You can try out all the free stuff, and if you decide you like it, $10. You know, a little less than $10 actually. And you're going to make that in tips on your stream. I'm sure of it. All of you guys are. This is how I paid for mine actually. I use PayPal to tip money. So take advantage of the free stuff. It's not hard, and you can do some really interesting things with this app. You know, starting your stream without being at the computer. How cool is that? Ending your stream without being at the computer. I hope you found this video a little informative, and maybe it'll talk you into trying Touch Portal for yourself. Even if you only use the free version, those limited buttons are pretty handy to have. And, you know, less than $10, you can have unlimited. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, whatever. I don't know. I'm just trying to make a cool video for you guys to, you know, learn something for. Anyways, here's the stream schedule.